Corporate social responsibility, or CSR, refers to how organizations operate in a sustainable way. This includes how they behave towards their employees and customers, how they select partners and suppliers, and the impact of their activities on the environment and the communities in their ecosystems. Responsibility is based on shared values and principles. For example, the UN Global Compact offers guiding principles such as do no harm and leave no one behind. The relationship between social responsibility and sustainability is very simple. For a system to be durable, its members should act responsibly towards each other and the system. Sustainability is only possible if an organization is responsible towards itself, its stakeholders, and the public. More and more stakeholders at all levels, from consumers to regulators, require organizations to be responsible. Stakeholders are increasingly making decisions based on the sustainability goals and practices of the organization. Corporate and personal responsibility is a key factor for sustainability. For example, responsible sourcing and hiring, and responsible service architecture design and maintenance. One of the causes of the global ecological crisis and the many social and environmental problems is the negligence of organizations and individuals towards long-term goals and consequences. Many make poor long-term decisions because of a lack of global perspective. The much-needed shift to the longer-term and wider context requires the adoption of new values and principles, and an effective governance system that ensures these values and principles are transformed into sustainable practices and actions. Business leaders have, for a long time, been driven by ways of maximizing value for shareholders. A global index provider, the FTSE Russell, highlights that more than half of asset owners globally are currently evaluating or implementing environmental, social and governance, or ESG considerations in their investment strategy. Businesses are pursuing a stakeholder-centric approach beyond profit to measure economic performance that has a focus on ESG criteria. Adoption of the ESG criteria can be understood as a commitment to embed sustainability within an organization. This entails incorporating intangible and non-financial measures of success. Table 1.2 in the Diagrams and Tables pack shows typical examples of ESG issues provided by the Principles for Responsible Investment, or PRI. Many reports claim a direct correlation between sustainable business practices, business performance, and share prices. The World Bank and Bank of America found that businesses with better ESG criteria produced 3 times higher returns than their peers, and that organizations with ESG principles in their strategy can drive profitable growth that positively impacts the world, mitigates risks, and attracts the best talent. This suggests a positive effect of ESG criteria on an organization's success, but also highlights ESG's requirements for resources and financial stability. Table 1.3 in the Diagram and Tables pack gives some examples of stakeholder interest in an organization's sustainability, demonstrating that companies care because the constituents they care about care.